Hello traders, welcome to the full Forex market analysis video 3. Today we're gonna go over USD pairs, silver, the US indices, and finally the UK indice. So stay tuned, we have some trades cooking up, setups cooking up on the daily time frame. Watch for those and let's get straight into charting.
I said when I'm balling low. I'm balling low.
USDCAD, start on the monthly. Sell zone here. Sell zone here. Buy zone here. Move to the weekly. Support here. Sell zone here. Trend support here. Move to the daily. Looks like we're at trend support and support here on USDCAD, so I'm definitely going to be watching for a break lower or a bounce. USDCHF, start on the monthly, resistance here. Sell zone here. Sell zone here. Move to the weekly. There's nothing here on the weekly. Move to the daily. Trend resistance here. USDCHF keeps going lower and lower, so I wouldn't be surprised if you can break lower. Resistance here. USDJPY, start on the monthly, resistance here. Support here. Trend resistance here. Buy zone here. Move to the weekly. Trend resistance here. We could also break above trend and go up to trend support. Move to the daily. Trend resistance here. We also have a downtrend on USDJPY, so definitely going to be watching either for a bounce or a break lower to the buy zone. Silver, start on the monthly, sell zone here. Support here. Buy zone here. Move to the weekly. Move to the daily. Buy zone here. Trend resistance here. US 100, start on the monthly. Move to the weekly. Trend support here. Trend support here. Buy zone here. Move to the daily. Trend support here. Trend resistance here.
We can have a rejection here all the way down to break trend support and then move lower to the second trend support. We could also move higher.
US 30, start on the monthly, trend support here. Buy zone here. Trend resistance here. Move to the weekly. Move to the daily. Trend support here. Trend resistance here.
We can have a rejection here all the way down to break trend support and then move lower to the second trend support. We could also move higher.
Buy zone here. US 500. Start on the monthly. Trend resistance here. Trend support here.
When I look at all these indices, they all have dojis on the monthly, and as you guys can see, every time we had a doji, we fell lower.
Move to the weekly. Move to the daily. Trend support here.
We can have a rejection here all the way down to break trend support and then move lower to the second trend support. We could also move higher.
Trend resistance here. UK 100. Start on the monthly. Move to the weekly. Buy zone here. Move to the daily. Trend support here.
We can have a rejection here all the way down to break trend support and then move lower to the second trend support.
Well, thanks for watching the third market analysis video. We do have a lot of trades setting up, especially with the US indices. Make sure to keep an eye out, and if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future educational videos. Adios.
I said when I'm